Hello, I'm Anthony Lambert from the company Workplace Innovation Software. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do with the table on the dashboard of our MENDLOG app. Above the table is a filter bar. The filter bar lets you change the display of events within the table. I've just been looking at faults and now I want to have a look at inspections. So here I can adjust the different time periods. So earlier is yesterday and before, today, tomorrow, this week, this month and later. Now I'm going to take a look at actions. And now I'm going to take a look at services. If you want to display all types of event in the table, just tap on the All button. You can also switch between viewing open or closed events. Closed events are faults that have been repaired, actions that have been done, services and inspections that have been completed. The final thing that I want to show you is a set of two buttons to the right of the table. Click the top button to display open faults, that is, faults that are not yet repaired, in the table, and click the bottom one to display overdue inspections, that is, inspections that should have happened before today but which have not happened yet. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our website for more videos. Bye for now.